Alright dudes, I'm about to do a little oil change right here in my 5.7 liter Hemi V8 something. Anyway, this is not really a how-to, this is how you do it or whatever and whatnot. This is not a, this is the oil filter you should use or this is the oil you should use. If anybody is interested in knowing how I change my oil, here it is. All right, Ram 1500 5.7 liter. All right, here we go. Let's get down here. Let's get set. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is drain out the old oil. Oh man, I need to get right there. All right, let's get it set. Alrighty dudes, you might get oil on your hands, you might get oil on your face. Just try not to get no oil in your mouth. Alright, it's bad news. I think I got her lined up right here. You know, I didn't go to school for trajectory, you know what I mean, but I am pretty good at peeing in the toilet and getting 90%. Oh jeez. It's really on there. Oh, weak, pathetic fool. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I don't remember putting it on that tight. Oh, you know what? I don't think I did. It wasn't me. Where are you at? Oh, you didn't touch me. You didn't even touch me. Yeah, I win this battle. I won today. Oh, all right, dudes. We got the oil out. The oil was still pretty new. It was from my cam install. Yeah, it's about time to change it. I don't drive very far on this truck every day. My job is close. The drag strip is close. I got a Jeep. I don't gotta drive that much. And on another note, while I'm trying to do this video, I had a solicitor, you know, people that try to sell you stuff door to door. He wouldn't get the hint to leave. And man, he was making me mad. I really, truly believe there should be a self-defense rules, you know, where I could punch him in the face. Excuse my language, but that's what I want to do sometimes when dudes don't get the hint. Go away, leave my house. I don't want to buy it. All right, this isn't going on. It's tight as it. It's good enough. Look at Doug. Not as tight as last time. Clean up my mess. All right, that's it down here. All right, dudes, check it out right there. I don't know if anything's better or worse or whatever. This is the oil filter you're supposed to have. All right, this one is from a 6.4 Challenger. All right, I just looked up a 27 6.4 liter Challenger and got the oil filter. That's what my buddy Greg Bryan said to do, and that's what I did. This oil filter fits, supposedly. Well, other trucks are running it. I know a few guys running the bigger one. It seems like it's going to be a tight fit. Excuse me. That's for later in the video. All right, so you see the size difference. This is the one on your 5.7. All right, and this is the one in the Challenger 6.4. I believe that's how it goes. Everything lines up exactly. All right, so I don't know. All right, I'm not making any claims. I'm just gonna try the big one for a little bit. You know, I don't know. Maybe it does nothing. They're the same price, so it don't matter. Here we go. All right, when I get around doing the oil filter, I could just drag this. Homeowner Association isn't going to allow me to have any oil spots on my very own driveway that I own. It's ridiculous. Where is that thing? Oh yeah, way up in there. Yep, that's it. Easy breezy. Ow. All right, now I'll do the best I can with this camera action. I really I'll try to show you what I got going on here. Greg's a little stronger than I am, so I bet you he really cranked this. Gregory, it hurts to turn. Greg, wow. Dude. Bro. Alright, you're in trouble. Alright, dude, it's a pain in the ass to get on there, but there's more than one way to skin. Oh, no. Are you loose enough yet? I hate you. Having a hard time with this. Hopefully I got it loosened up a little bit. I just want it loose. Yep, got it. Oh, I just cut. That's how I cut my hand. I just cut it twice. Damn, on this right here, sharp as hell. Double knuckle. You make me so mad. Holy something. And all I did was just make it in my hand a huge gap. Oh, gap hand. It's not cool. Alright, yeah. Alright. Oh, did that. Oh, look, ooh. Ooh. Is that going in the bag? Oh, yeah, baby. My knuckle's really inflamed. Oh, no, it's still leaking out. Dang, I failed. Oh, I tried to be a smartass, but it didn't work. Well, it didn't get on no parts. It's actually flying over into my pan right now without hitting anything. It wasn't my plan. Oh no, it hit stuff. Dang it. I tried so hard. So hard. Alright, you know how tight the spaces are around here. Kind of mocked it up a little bit, but you can see the size difference here. Alright, so it fits. No problem. I mean, other dudes running it on the same engine. I can't imagine why it wouldn't fit, but it just seemed kind of big when I opened the box. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with the regular 7 quarts with filter and then add just a little bit more because this filter is a little bit bigger, and then it should be good to go. If I have any problems, I will report them to you. Ooh, yeah. Take this off, fill it with oil, and get it up in here. Alright. That's what I like to do. I'm saying use whatever oil you want. Don't judge me on my oil. Use whatever you want. This ain't your truck, this is my truck. Alright, do research. There's plenty of research on oils. This oil is fine. Alright, if you want to know what I'm using, alright, there it is. Shouldn't be shy. I don't care. Alright, some people will be like, well, I use this, well, this is the best. And I get it. I understand. Alright, this stuff's as expensive as it is, you know. My other stuff probably works just as freaking good. So I like to fill that up before I put it in, and I like to let it sit for a second. You'll see it drop down, soak up, put a little more in there. I think that helps. I think that's a good thing to do right here. All right, but anyway, I'm just showing you, not telling you how, showing you what I do. Alrighty then, this part's usually messy too. Hopefully it's not gonna be. Got the oil in there. I like it filled all the way to the top of the filter. You know, just kind of, I don't know. I think it's better. Something about the oil already being in there. Something about not starving certain areas of oil because it's still got to pass through the filter. If it's already in the filter, then it'll probably almost right away shoot to the rest of the system. I'm talking softly. I'm about to pass out. Exhaustion. Please don't cut my hand. Avoid dangerous areas. Look at that, man. Just leave it. I don't want it stupid ass tight, but fit leaks, then I'll tighten it up some more. Wow, fits pretty good. Pretty badass. I need to clean up under here a little bit more later on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Billy. Get some. Yep. Well, yeah, there it is. 5.7 to 6.4 swap. Oil filter. Horse powder. Hot damn hell yeah. Now let's put some oil in it before I forget. Oh yeah, we can check the catch can too. Woo, Billy. The catch can be catching. That's guaranteed. Mark. Yeah, looks pretty cool too with the reflection. Looks like it got a lot of red oil or something. Yeah, let's go down in here. Yep, replace that.